I discovered 20 brand new apps that anyone in the world can use from their phone to make money online. And the best part is that they are completely free and don't require any prior experience. Some of these apps are so novel that no one has ever heard of them before. And some of the apps that I will share with you have already helped me earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. Therefore, check back to see which of those apps are truly there. The first application on our list will be BeMyEye, because you can now collect credit, be paid, and earn cash back on your rent. BeMyEye is for people who don't yet own their own home, but are still living in either a flat or a house. As you can see, BeMyEye rewards renters and enables you to earn rewards and save on daily expenditures. Thus, you can simply download it on iOS or Android. It is totally free and of very high quality, but it is only for those who are renting anything. Let me now demonstrate some more apps that anyone may use to generate income online. The second app on our list, Toloka Earn Online, is accessible through the Google Play Store. It offers a variety of simple tasks that you can complete and get paid for using PayPal, Payoneer, and other available payment methods. This app is also completely free and has a ton of features. Examples of these tasks include updating information for other people, typing out typos, labeling typos, appealing images and videos, and simple photo moderation. However, it will obviously not make you much money. Therefore, to genuinely make a good amount of money, I advise combining several of these apps. The next and one of my favorites is kashif.com, but as of now they've closed the doors for new users, so you can only sign up for the waiting list. However, if you get accepted and once they actually release the tool and app again, you can get paid to watch videos, get paid to browse Google or retweet, like play games, and much more. So there are many different ways to make money with Cash Stars, and it's one of the highest paying ones. The fourth app, panelstars.com, is the one I mentioned earlier and is really distinctive. You see, Panel Stars is an app where you can get various social media interactions, such as Instagram followers and more, and you can see that 1,000 followers cost about 38 cents. But if you go to a platform like Bozoid, they get hundreds of thousands of visitors per month, have thousands of customers every day, and are selling 1,000 followers for 13, so you can just do the math and you can literally arbitrage these. Only the fifth app on our list, Simple Dollars, is going to be. This Easy Bucks app is very interesting because it's like gamified making money online. So they have a lot of different tasks like completing surveys, offers, and playing games. However, it won't make you a lot of money, so I advise combining multiple of these apps instead if you want to actually make some significant money. Otherwise, you can only make a few dollars here and there, but it is still useful to use in your free time. I like how they've gamified the process of making money online. The next app you can use to do so can actually earn you a respectable sum of money, but sadly it's only available to those who have some online following. If you have, say, 5,000 to 10,000 followers, you can use this app to monetize your audience and earn money online. You can basically find a ton of different apps that you can promote and get paid per click. Therefore, it's possible that you can't advertise an app that helps people lose weight and get paid $5 for each install if you have an audience interested in fitness and weight loss. In this specific case, Tim has made approximately $200,000 with his free app. Gopinion is the next app you can use to get gift cards and earn money online. I personally don't like surveys because they require a lot of work and require you to answer a lot of dull questions, but if this is something you can use in your spare time, it could be useful. Quite literally, you can sit down, complete a number of surveys, and get paid a few dollars for your couch while you're waiting in queue or doing nothing. The next tool you can use to earn money online is called Earnit, and it is already available at Earnit.com. Earnit is a platform where you can win prizes on Amazon purchases, so you can restrict your participation and avoid linking your Amazon account. You can get paid up to $4,000 when you shop on Amazon, and some users are earning thousands of dollars using this tool. You can also earn tickets, or if you're lucky, you can enter their various competitions and win cash prizes. But you can still use it in your free time, according to Online Business Academy. Online Business Academy is the next step you can use to earn money online, and it's one of the ones that helped me make hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can earn money with Online Business Academy in a variety of ways, one of which is by listing your own digital goods or services on the site. You should do that because it will allow you to obtain traffic to your website, which receives hundreds of thousands of people each month. It will also allow you to get really high-quality sales pages and sales text for your products. The second way that you can make money with Online Business Academy is by promoting these classes, products, and services as an affiliate. You can scroll all the way down to the affiliate program, go to it, sign up as an affiliate for free, and make money like that. Because it already has a customer base, you don't have to worry about the traffic from the start. The next app you can download for free is called BeMyEye, and it allows you to earn money online by using your phone's camera to complete short tasks like scanning a product's barcode or taking a picture of it in a store. However, the amount of money you can make using this app is significantly lower. Despite this, it's still a great app to download. And you'll be paid a few dollars each time you do that, so all you have to do is use your camera. You don't need to have an incredibly high-quality camera in order to earn money online with this app. The company is only interested in collecting data, not the best photos. The Multipolls app is the next one you may use to earn money online and add to your collection of other apps in order to increase your profits. And here is yet another survey app where you can choose from a variety of offers and services. But the reason I choose this one is because it genuinely gives a very fascinating service. You're not just going to get paid like 50 cents when you finish a survey, but in some cases you can get paid a couple of dollars each time you answer a few questions. You can withdraw your money with PayPal, and there are other payment options available as well. It won't have any boring questions, and it also has a very high-paying service. Another survey app you can use to earn money online is called Yougov. You can download it for free, create an account, and then start answering surveys and other questions to earn money online. The surveys on this app are a little bit dull and not very interesting, but you can still earn some money in your spare time. Yougov is available on the Google Play Store and the App Store. The next very comparable app that you can use to make money online is called Add a Pause. At the poll, you can get paid to complete various surveys and earn money. Again, these are very similar, so if you combine multiple of those, if you have like 10 different apps that you're using to complete the surveys and make money online, you can actually add up to your earnings and make more money online if one of those apps only pays you $3 per day. The next app you can use to earn money online is called Street Bees. It's actually very interesting to use and entertaining to earn money with this app because it gives you a way to chat with others, a way to respond to questions, and a way to get paid to complete various surveys and offers and completely different tasks that are, for the most part, enjoyable. I really enjoyed testing this app, and you should check it out because it's totally free. The following app is likewise gamified and is fascinating and enjoyable to use in order to generate money online. It's called a Survey Party, which is already a pretty fun name, and when you open it, it does look like a game. It doesn't feel like you're working. Instead, it feels like you're having fun while earning money. It's very interesting, but it's also a survey app, so you get to complete surveys and answer questions to perform various tasks to earn money online. The next app you can use to make money online is called Erica. It is very similar to the previous one in that it involves completing offers and surveys to earn money online. It is completely free, has a wide variety of offers, and even though it is about surveys, it is one of the highest paying ones when it comes to completing those surveys. At least as of now, I literally have YouTube channels where I'm not showing my face and not recording anything with a camera yet. As you can see, we're making thousands of dollars every single day just from ad revenue alone. Again, these are channels where I've never revealed my face and never recorded anything with a camera if you're curious. App number 19 is Survey Pop, which pays you to complete very interesting and enjoyable tasks. You can get paid to watch videos, search the web, perform completely different tasks, and even play video games. This app is completely free, and it is a gamified way to earn money online. The final app we're going to discuss is called Survey Spin. This is another survey app, obviously, but I made it a little bit more interesting. It looks like you're playing some game because it is very gamified, and they have daily surveys you'll never run out of work to complete. They don't pay much, but you can once again combine it with all of those other apps, and that can quickly add up so that you can make a little bit more significant a good amount of money.